A 10-meter board leans against the wall. The foot of the board is 8 meters away from the wall. How far up the wall does the board reaches? A, 6 meters, B, 4 meters, C, 8 meters, D, 10 meters. Oops. 8 meters, this is 8 meters, and this is 10-meter wall. So alam nyo na kaagad, katingin pa lang, alam nyo na kaagad na 6 ito. 6 ito. 6 ito. Due to, this is a right triangle and this is a Pythagorean triple. Kaya dapat alam niyo na kaagad sa tingin pa lang, pag na-drawing niyo na, kahit hindi niyo na-drawing, alam niyo kaagad na 6 yan. 6. Hindi na kailangan mag-solve, pwede gamitin ang Pythagorean theorem, pero pag alam mo yung Pythagorean triples, alam mo na kaagad paano sagutin. Ayan, tama yan, Sir John Paul. So, the given is a multiple of a 3, 4, 5 right triangle. So, 3, 4, 5 times 2. So, this is 10, this is 8, and of course, this is 6. Ayan. And start memorizing your Pythagorean triples kahit itong apat na lang na to. Itong apat lang na to, di ba? Apat lang na to, buhay na kayo sa major shift. So, the correct answer for item 93 is letter A. Very good. Sa lahat ng sumagot ng letter A.